Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a screenshot spyware. This file is created by me. I will leave the link in the description. So this file sends screenshots, keylogs, location to the Discord server. So here is the time limit. If you set to 5, it sends screenshot to every 5 seconds. If you set it to 10, then it will send screenshot to every 10 seconds. I will set it to 5. Then we need a Discord webhook URL. In order to do that, we need a webhook URL. So create a channel, name it, click on settings, integrations, create a webhook. Here, copy the URL and paste here. And save it. And also, we need to convert this Python file into exe file. In order to convert, I leave some comments. Here is the command. Copy the command and open a new terminal and paste here. It will convert this Python file into exe file. Here in this folder, we have the exe file. Here is the exe file. This file has some special features. Once we click on it, it will move to somewhere else and start sending screenshots and keylogs. And also, these files will add to start menu. After restarting your laptop, it will also start sending screenshots. I'll double click on it. See, this file is moved to somewhere else. And if you see, we got the location, screenshot. Now, if I press some keys here, here you can see it also captures the keylogs and screenshots. In order to stop this file, go to Task Manager, look at the inservice.exe. Here is our file. So end this task. And also it will add to the startup menu. In Windows 10, it automatically enables. So open file location and also delete it. I applied a hidden attribute on this file. So it only view when you click on hidden files. So if you see, not showing here and then here. So delete this file. And also this file is moved to app data. So this is the spyware I created. Please use it properly. And again, this video is educational purpose only.